In this video, we'll look into Python introduction. Python is a high-level language. It can be processed at runtime by interpreter and can be interactive. It is also object-oriented. It can be used as a scripting language. It can be integrated very easily with Java, C, C++, etc. It can run on various hardware platforms and so is portable. It can connect to different databases. It supports GUI. It is scalable. It can handle big data. Now let us go to the command prompt. AMD command prompt. And here we will go to this path. This AppData, local programs, Python, Python.9, wherever it is in your system. Now we are here. Now we type py. This gives us that Python exists in this system, and we got this where we can type the code. So here let us type help keywords. So we got these keywords. Now let us type help. We'll get the symbols. Copied and pasted here. Double H-E symbols. So we get the symbols here. These are all the symbols in Python, and above we got the keywords in Python, and now we'll get some topics in Python. Help topics. Here a list of available topics. Enter any topic name to get more help. So suppose you want to know about dictionaries. So let us copy this, say help dictionaries. Here we got help about the dictionaries. Pressing small q brings you back to the Python prompt. Now let us import built-ins. Print dir of built-ins. So these are the Python built-ins. So this after importing built-ins, import built-ins, and then after printing the dir of built-ins, we get the list of these built-ins. Now let us see how we can write code here. A small code. X is equal to 10 and say print X. It has printed 10. Now type of X is, it has printed class int. So that's how we can write the code here. Now let us go to this one, Visual Studio application, and then see how here I already written import built-ins print dir of built-ins. Let us run this and see. Start without debug. It has displayed all the built-ins. So in the Visual Studio, we can just write x is equal to 10, print x, and type of x. We will print the type of x also. So to print type of text. Start without debugging. So x is 10 and type of x is class integer. So in the installation itself, we have seen how to open this Python application in Visual Studio, and this is how you can start writing your code in Visual Studio. So now we have seen both how to write the code in command prompt and then Visual Studio. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.